Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer tickets from TicketMaster to SeatGeek. Before delving into the process, it's crucial to address the fundamental question: can you sell or transfer TicketMaster tickets on SeatGeek? The answer depends on various factors, including the event's policies and the compatibility between the two platforms. Generally, if the tickets are transferable and there are no restrictions imposed by the event organizers or Ticketmaster, you should be able to list them on SeatGeek. So it's pretty clear you can share or transfer your Ticketmaster tickets to SeatGeek. Now let's see how to do it. First, verify transferability on Ticketmaster. Before anything else, confirm that your Ticketmaster tickets can be transferred. Log into your Ticketmaster account, go to your event and check if there's an option to transfer your tickets. Here is Ticketmaster website. You can click on sign in or register. If you don't have any account, create one to click on this register icon. Now, here is the second step: transfer tickets to yourself. If you plan to upload PDF tickets to SeatGeek, you must need to log into your account and click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Then go to tickets and simply click on add button here. After that, these first three tickets, you can book them according to their team. Your team, you can choose the team and you can book their ticket, but you have to select e-tickets from here. You can click on add e-tickets and you can upload the PDF file, original PDF file of the ticket that you have purchased from Ticketmaster. Now, you might first need to transfer the ticket to yourself on Ticketmaster. That means you must need to purchase your own ticket, and then this step is essential to get a downloadable version of your ticket. I mean, you just need to get the full access of your ticket from your Ticketmaster. Then download the tickets. After transferring the tickets of yourself, download them to your device. Ensure that each ticket is saved as a separate PDF file, as this is the format SeatGeek typically requires to updates. Here is the example of the tickets. The tickets might look like this. This is an original ticket. You just need to upload the original PDF file of your ticket, then create a SeatGeek account. If you don't have any SeatGeek account, then create one. It's pretty simple here. This process is straightforward and requires some basic information about yourself. Now, the fifth step is list your ticket on SeatGeek. Log into your SeatGeek account, navigate to the sell action, and follow the prompts to list your tickets. You will need to upload the PDFs of your tickets and provide details about the seats. Here from the SeatGeek website, you will find sell option here. Also, you can find the sell icon or button here. You can click on add to put your ticket on sale in SeatGeek. Just like the same process, you just need to drag and drop the original ticket PDF file, and after uploading that file, it will look like this. SeatGeek will automatically generate a barcode for your ticket and then set your price. SeatGeek allows you to set your own ticket prices. Now submit your listing. Then once you have filled out all necessary information, upload your ticket and then just finish the work. Now, how to upload tickets to SeatGeek from Ticketmaster? Just earlier in this video, I have shown you that how you can upload the ticket on SeatGeek account. Just download the main PDF file of the ticket and drag and drop that file to this section, and that's all. You can then list it or upload your PDF file in SeatGeek. That's how you can transfer tickets from Ticketmaster's to SeatGeek account. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.